Hi everybody, this is Dip's coding tutorial. So today we are going to learn about the interactions in JavaScript. So if you are new to this channel, please, this is the beginner levels course for the JavaScript, and also please refer my earlier videos, and please subscribe to my this video because this is a very important video for the JavaScript programming language beginner course. So now let's start with the interactions in JavaScript. So there are three types of interaction in JavaScript. So what is the use of interactions in JavaScript? So all these methods are model. They pause the script execution and don't allow the visitor to interact with the rest of the page until the window has been dismissed. So there are some, whenever you see the website, whenever you have some form and you have completed that form, then there comes like, okay, now you have you have completed the form. So do you want to submit and go to the next step or whatever? Then if you said, okay, I want to submit, then the form will end. And particular form is stored in the database. Similarly, there are three interactions. So it will tell you there is like alert. It will show the message. See, if your website is not working, you get the pop-ups. Oh, the website is not working. Something is wrong. Or if there is a prompt, it shows the input inbox. So if you want to enter the age or if you enter something particular value, then we use the prompt window. There is some confirm message like okay or cancel. Shows a message and waits for the user to press okay or cancel. It returns true for okay and false for cancel. So these are very much important methods or interactions in JavaScript which tells you how to proceed further. These are two limitations shared by the methods above. The exact location of the model window is determined by the browser. Usually it is in the center. The exact look of the window also depends on the browser. We can't modify it. It depends upon the browser. So if you are using Google Chrome, the prompt window, the alert window, and the confirm window would be different than for the other browsers. That is the price for simplicity. There are the other ways to show nicer windows and the richer interactions with the visitor, but if bells and whistles do not matter much, these methods work just fine. This is the basic method. This methods works in each and every browsing windows, you can say in any websites, and very much helpful to understand. So this is like a theoretical description about these interactions. So now let's see how we can use them in programmatically. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, so now let's check one by one how we can use this particular alert. This is an alert window, and let's see one by one how we can use the prompt and confirm also. So now uh, this is a simple message which we have typed here. You can type any message, whichever you want. Now let's see what would be the output of this particular. Here you go. This page says hello world and it will show you the window. So it will just pop up your message, whatever you have given. If you have given hello world, so it's showing the hello world. Okay. Now let's check for next one, which we have is the confirm. So for confirm, we have to take one variable, let result, and it will give the value. It will have or it will save the value of confirm. Because why we are using the result here, let's see. First, I'll just type it so that you can understand. Do you want to leave the website? Okay, so if we are asking this question, let's see what this result stores. So what is my understanding? Like what we know that it should store the true or the false. So what is the confirm? Let's check now by running this program. Okay, so you can see when we run the confirm, we get here okay or cancel window on the window. So we have asked, like this page says, whatever the page we have opened, it says that do you want to leave the website? If it is okay, so we will check the console. What is there on the console? Yes, it will give you true. And if we would have given um, the pop-up as cancel, then it would have given false. So this is what the confirm says. Now we will see the prompt. What does prompt do? So similarly, as we have confirmed, now we have prompt. So here I'm giving one question like, how old are you? I'm asking one question to that particular window, means that pop-up window will come here. And let's see what would be the result here. So here, can you see this window? The page says, how old are you? So I just said 23 and I press OK. So let's see what does our console prints out. 23. So in earlier case, where in the confirm, we were using OK or cancel. When we say OK, it is putting true value in the result. Here, whatever we are entering in that box, that value is printed. So now the question is that why we are using this result variable. So in many interactions, if we want to do some other procedure, like if we uh, just clicked on OK, then what we have to do the next? And if the age is 23, what you have to do the next? So it is just like we are doing some particular proceeding to the next step. Like if you are entering any form, so they will ask you, okay, put the address and then save. When you will save, the whole data will be saved. And if it is okay, then it will check whether you have entered the particular details, whether it is okay. If it is okay, then that is true. And if it is cancel, then that is not true. Similarly, these are the simple example of the interactions in JavaScript. They are very, very useful, and hope this lecture or this particular tutorial help you to understand what the interactions are there. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comment box, and please do tell me how do you like this particular tutorial, and share it with your friends. And hopefully please watch my next video, which would be similarly related to the JavaScript. If I'll be explaining about if else statements and much more about in JavaScript. So thank you for now for watching my videos, and I will get back to you in the next video. Thank you and happy coding.